Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Brothers, alhamdulillah, this is our final day in Maldives. The tour was very adventurous as well as inspirational. We learned a lot, and as soon as we came, the first day was just relaxed. We went out, seen a few masjids. We visited the King Salman Mosque as well, which recently has been built. The next day was a very tight schedule. The next day we went for Jum'ah Salah. We found the masjid, mashallah, full, packed, around 6,000 capacity of the masjid. It was fully packed. People were praying Salah outside. And here also generally the environment is quite inspiring, where people are regularly attending the masajid for Salah, as well as we see in Jummah time, all the places were closed and everyone making their way for Salah. Thereafter, we had a meeting with a brother from the team Da'wah brothers. He gave us good insight about how they do Da'wah. The country of Maldives is known to have its population around 600,000, the local population. However, they have 2 million tourist visitors throughout the year. As you can see, the beauty of the country. And this is what attracts the tourists, which has white sand, blue, green, crystal clear waters, as well as the weather here is very tropical. So attracting these tourists, these brothers decided that they would go out and give dawah to them, invite them to explain them the importance of life, the purpose of life, as well as giving them a gift of the Quran, a book to read, etc. And he said many of them would go back and then they would continue their research towards Islam. And they did have some incidents where they mentioned that brothers have accepted Islam, but he says we leave it to them to make their decision. Thereafter, we had a meeting with the brothers, a charity organization that's locally based in Maldives. They work in many countries, Pakistan, Syria, Gaza as well, in terms of humanitarian aid, and many other countries. Alhamdulillah, it was a very successful meeting, and they also told us, some brothers of them, they do Islamic tours, etc. And they have requested us that to appeal to the Muslim world that many Muslim families can come here on an Islamic tour, and they're willing to accommodate A to Z, everything from airport to airport services, etc. So it was quite a fruitful meeting. Thereafter, we went from Male to Hulu Male. This way I'm sitting right now is known as Hulu Male, is another island next to the airport. We spent the Friday night in Himafushi, which is another island, roughly around 30 minutes by boat from here. Generally here people would travel by boat more than traveling by cars. Just the two islands, Male, Hulu Male, cars are used. The rest of the islands are travelers by boat. There's about 1,100 islands in Maldives. 1,100 islands. From there, around 200 of them are habited, and the nationals are habited in around 130, 140 islands. The rest islands are habited by resorts, and roughly around 800 or 900 islands are still vacant for you to come and inhabit them, inshallah ta'ala.